Hey guys, how you guys doing? It's Tony again. Welcome to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing fine. You guys are safe from all the problems out there with the pandemic and everything. Today I will just take the chance to come up here on the mountain. Actually, I am sitting on one of the famous peaks in Thailand at this very moment around my area. It's called Phupek, and it's a very famous place where a lot of people will come during the weekend. Later on I'll show you the view at the very end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you haven't ticked the bell notification, please do so. And if you see value out of this video, please like the video for me so that you can give me some kind of support for me to come up with videos and also good ideas to share with you guys again in the future. So today I would like to talk about authenticity when you are online. You know, in the online world, there are a lot of people who are trying to use their fake or false information about themselves, you know, even the name, the address, which understandable in my opinion about the address and everything. But like, it is very difficult to keep up with, you know, with your false name or with your alias or whatever you want to call it. And just make sure that you stay true to that. For me, I just use my nickname, because if I use my real name, 9 out of 10 people in the world outside Thailand, they will not be able to understand or pronounce it correctly. So I'll just use my nickname, Tony. It's my international name. So just so you know, because a few days ago, in one of the Facebook groups that I am a member in, there was one guy asking people in the comment, he wants to use false information because he was saying that he just started his business. I don't know which, could be dropshipping business or affiliate marketing, I don't know, but he said that he wanted to use his fake info so that it looks professional, because he said that in order to attract people and have more credibility about what he does, he wants to use the false information that he would pretend to be an expert. And a lot of people coming and then on the comment under his post, a lot of people were like slamming at him. This is the problem why the internet is so unreliable and lots of scams out there. So I want to be one of the parts, you know, to help make this industry, especially affiliate marketing or just online marketing or online business in a general, to make it legitimate, more legitimate. That's why I put in my Facebook group, if you want to join, there is a link in the description down below. You can join always. I want to create an army of people who are serious about this, and not only that, but who are moral. You know, they promote only good products, the products that they only use to people, and with let's say building good relationship with them, not like trying to be salesy all the time to people. Because, you know, if you were in their shoes, you know, the customer's shoes, you never want to buy from someone as a salesy person or a salesy affiliate marketer. It's just so strange, you know, that a lot of people were doing that. Even nowadays, there are a lot of people who are doing that. They just want to make sales without thinking about building the relationship with the prospects or the potential customers. Just a couple of months ago, there was a guy from Europe, I don't want to name the country, you know, he contacted me through the Facebook Messenger, and we were talking like for a couple of sentences, you know, chatting, conversing a little bit here and there just to get to know. And then he wanted to sell me on his coaching course or something like that. I said, no problem. I mean, like, we can have a talk, because at that moment, you know, I was open to everybody, but like he was trying to push me into buying his program. And I was like, let's connect, you know, on Facebook so that we can become friends first of all, so that we can, you know, get to talk a little bit more. You know, I'm not actually interested in his coaching or in coaching in general, because I know quite something already at this very specific moment. I don't need anything yet as of this time. I may need it in the future. I don't know. I don't say that I know everything. I don't. Obviously I don't, but at this very moment I'm satisfied with what I know, with what I do, and it's going to take quite some time before I need some coaching in order to move up to the next level. So the guy was like asking me, hey, you want to learn this and that? And then I was like, hey, let's connect. And then the guy was like, no, I'm sorry, I don't have time. I was like, okay. Does he think that he's the only person in here, in the online business, in the affiliate marketing business that is busy? You know, maybe he thinks that he is the most important person in the business or anything, that it's only him who is busy. You know, a lot of people, they are also busy. And now a lot of people, they contacted me on Messenger, and they did more or less like that. And you know, I don't feel angry with them or anything, but it's like, hey, at least, you know, if they cannot tell me anything, we can just become friends and we help each other. We share experience and some tactics, some strategies, a little bit here and there, and then we make friends. Who knows, in the future we might be able to meet somewhere here in Thailand or some other places around the world, and then we can connect deeper in a personal level, something like that. So I don't know why people are just trying to be too salesy and never want to care about the relationship. So far I have only a few people out of 70 or 80 people on my Facebook profile, friends, that are really like connecting, and we converse deeper, not just only business but also like meditation or some of the things that I do and also what they do as well, because I also wearing another hat as a meditation instructor here in Thailand. I've been doing this for more than 5 years, having students from all over the world, mostly from Europe, from German speaking countries like Germany, Switzerland and Austria, coming to me every single year, each year about 40 to 50 people. So I can help, you know. A lot of people ask me for tips about meditation, and I am very happy to help, you know. Although I just cannot give them everything because it takes like 3 weeks in order to study what I teach. But like if they want some tips here and there, it's no problem, you know. I can give them, you know, without hiding anything away from them. I want just to help and also to make friends, you know. So I want to make this industry a better industry that is beneficial to everybody, not just the experts who are making tons of money out there, but also newbies or people in the intermediate level, in order that we can help each other to move forward. Just a few days ago also, there was a guy asking me if he told me that he was transitioning from one high ticket program of affiliate marketing to another program, and I experienced that program that he is transitioning into that is not so high quality, and yeah, it gives a lot of payout. It's like 100% more than what he is promoting at this very moment, which is very lucrative already, but like he wants to transition there to the new program. So I told him, I warned him, give him a heads up a little bit that it's not what he thought it might be, because yeah, it may be like giving him a lot of money, but like the value that the potential customers of him will get is like very low quality. Even the guy, one of the big guys in the industry, used to promote that program. He also said that in a few of his videos. So I've been keeping an eye on this program for quite some time before deciding to join the program that I am currently promoting. So I was thinking between making money or the quality, which one I would take. So eventually I decided to take the one that is very beneficial for me, and so that I can do business long term, not only for just like making a quick buck here and there. And I would not, you know, make a lot of friends that way, and I don't want to lose the credibility. Talking about the credibility, the guy before I was talking about, he was trying to build some credit out of nothing. So I told him, yeah, you can make a lot of credit like that, you know, pretending that he is an expert, but it's very difficult when he is not. And once someone found out, and nowadays in the online world, everything is so interconnected and the world is so small there, and if somebody somehow found out that he is actually not an expert, his credibility is that he's been trying to build for a long time and very hard will be gone in the second that once that person found out that he is not an expert. So that's the reason why I gave him an advice, but it's up to him whether or not he would like to take that, because I just want to give my best to the people in my community. So that's it, guys, for today. I'm going to cut this video out so that it's taking too long already, maybe 15 minutes now. So I will just give you the view about what I am seeing at this very moment at the end of the video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, to my channel, please do so and tick that bell notification so that you can get more of this kind of videos again and give me support. You know, next time I can come up with good videos, valuable videos in the future. So that's it guys for today. Thank you very much. It's Tony signing off for now. Bye from Sakonnakhon, Thailand.